Hello friends, welcome to Health Buddy Natural. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is, in Ayurveda there is a very good concept of Ritucharya. Ayurveda has two objectives. One is to maintain health of a healthy person and second is to cure the diseases. The first aim of Ayurveda depends totally on Dincharya and Ritucharya. So Dincharya means what should be your daily routine to maintain health, and Ritucharya means what should be your seasonal regimen to maintain the health. So today we are talking on the concept of Ritucharya. It is a well-known fact that different atmospheric changes take place due to changes of season. These changes in the atmosphere affect all living beings. Some changes are beneficial while others are not that much beneficial. In order to achieve maximum benefit from the good qualities of the atmospheric changes and get protection from the bad effect of the other not very good changes, the Ayurveda has prescribed certain rules in regard to diet, behavior and medicines. This is called as Ritucharya or seasonal regimen. All the activities in the world are governed by two energy principles. One is hot and other is cold. Based on this concept of hot and cold, the entire span of the year has been divided into two parts. First 6 months is accumulation period or Adan Kal. The second 6 months is releasing period or Visarga Kal. The first 6 months is Adan Kal is when sun is getting more and more prominent day by day. This starts from 15 January approximate. Generally it is mentioned in Indian months. So we can say from 15 January it starts and it ends till 15 July. This period is called as Uttarayana. Uttarayana means the period when the sun is getting more and more stronger. And this 6 months includes 3 seasons. One is Shishir Ritu, post winter, second is Vasant Ritu, that is spring season, and third is Grishma Ritu, means summer. So these 3 seasons comes under this 6 month span, and this Adan Kal is called as the Uttarayana in Ayurveda. The Uttarayana is also celebrated when the Adan Kal starts in some parts of India as a festival from 15 January. In this period of 6 months, the sun is taking moisture from the earth day by day. So the dryness in the earth increases day by day in the 6 months slowly. And this dryness is not only increasing in the earth, also increasing this dryness in human body, as the sun also takes moisture of human body slowly because sun rays are getting more and more stronger day by day during this 6 months. So this energy in the form of moisture is taken away from our body, from earth and from all other living creatures on the earth. That gives lack of strength to human body, lack of strength to plants, lack of strength to vegetables and all other things. That's why this period slowly taking us towards less immunity, less strength. When the summer is coming, your mind is not working that good in summer or hot climate with how it works in the winter or cold climate. So the ability or the strength of whole body is less in the summer season. So that summer comes later, but slowly the decreasing of strength started from this time, 15th January. And again I will clear, this is from Indian climate point of view. In the different part of the world, there are different climate. Sometimes all 6 months there will be snow, so it is not for those part of the world. This is mainly from the Indian point of view, when India has 6 seasons. So you should not take as it is this knowledge for your country if the climate is not the same. But you can have a general idea when your body strength will decrease and when your body strength will increase. So when the sun is strong day by day, when sun is getting stronger in this 6 months of the time, your body is getting weaker and weaker. And what happens, the other things like green grass will also be not in that much quantity. The cows and other animals will eat the dry grass, which will not be that much nutritive. So you get milk and curd and other dairy products from the cows, that will also be not that much nutritious. So indirectly your food stuff is also not that much nutritive values which you can have in winter. So in this 6 months of Adhan Kal or Uttarayan, the heat is increasing day by day, your strength is decreasing day by day, your immunity is decreasing, and same way your appetite is also decreasing. So appetite means digestive fire is decreasing. So naturally whatever food you are taking, it will not be get digested properly. So you should take very light food as the sun rays increases. During this season, if you see all these 6 months of 15th January to 15th July, the plants and vegetables which you get more will have more astringent and bitter taste in comparative to winter season. Reason is the dryness is increasing, so the plants and vegetables will also have the not very good taste. It will be bitter and astringent dominant taste will be there. These 6 months we have seen is of Adhan Kal, and these are not very good for our health. So you need to take care the seasonal regimen prescribed for every season, summer, spring, every season accordingly, which mentioned in Ayurveda and which we have already made videos on every season. Now we come to the next 6 months. What happens in next 6 months? As you must have already guessed something, like next 6 months from 15th July to 15th January, that will be called as Visarga Kal. Visarga Kal is releasing period, or in India it is called as Dakshinayan. What is Dakshinayan? Dakshinayan means sun will be having southern course, or sun will be slowly go little weaker in the term of sun rays will be little weaker day by day, and moon rays will be strong. So this 6 months is called as moon period or Dakshinayan or Visarga Kal. Visarga means giving. In this period, nature gives energy to human being. Nature gives energy to earth. So this 6 months includes 3 seasons. Varsha Ritu means rainy season. Sharad Ritu means pre-winter, and Hemant Ritu means winter. So rainy season, pre-winter and winter. In these 3 seasons, our health will be better day by day. So it starts with the rainy season, Varsha Ritu, this Dakshinayan period. In this period, the strength of living being increases because the moisture again you are getting back, which you have lost during summer. So, human body is 80% made up of moisture or water. So your body is having 80% as water or liquid. So you can understand how much this is important. This period is very good to maintain immunity, increase strength of the body. That's why it is said in Ayurveda and yoga also. In this period you must increase your yoga practices slowly. You start in some quantity in rainy season, then pre-winter you increase that practices. Then when winters comes, you can do vigorous exercises or long yoga sessions or long pranayama sessions. So that is the best time to increase your physical exercise as the strength of the body is increasing day by day. Because this is a moon period, So your appetite will also be very strong day by day, and when your appetite is strong, you will eat good quantity of food, and not only good quantity, there will be quality also more, because plants and vegetables are also full of nourishing things, because for them also this is nourishing period. The moon rays supply good quantity of good positive rays in the plants, in the vegetables, even in the herbs, Ayurvedic herbs. So this is for Ayurveda point of view also. This period is very important, because all the herbs are having more potency, more good effect in the term of their qualities. So all Ayurvedic doctors collect the green herbs during this period more, and they prepare all different kind of medicine during this 6 month more. So in plants predominantly you will find the sour, salty and sweet taste more, because this time is very good, so sweet taste will be more. There are exceptions always, but in general this is a very good time for all kind of fruits, vegetables. You get also different varieties in winter comparative to summer. So the immunity is increasing, so disease will increase. This during this 6 months, diseases will be less comparative to the other 6 months of Adhan Kal. Yes, but you need to follow all the seasonal regimen. In this 6 months comes 3 seasons. Every season has seasonal regimen. So if you follow, then only you will be healthy. Otherwise you think this season is healthy season, you eat whatever you want, nothing like that. Because every season has different dosha aggravation. That also we have mentioned in our Tridosha video. If you want, you can see that Tridosha video too. So the food is very good during this season, your appetite is very good, and food will also not decay very early because of winter or cold climate. So as a result, the whole environment enhances the possibility of better tissue building in your body or better immunity in your body. So this season is starting now from rain, July, this next month, 15th July. So this is the right time you start taking care more of your health, because now your immunity will increase, your strength will increase. So you need to pay attention more on your food, so you can get more benefit from next 6 months, which are very good for your health. If you have any questions regarding health, or suggestions regarding video, or any new subject to make video, that all things you can write us in the community tab or in the comment box. Many of you saying questions regarding treatment of any disease you are suffering from. We request you, please email the whole case history and we'll reply you accordingly. Mainly we give diet related and lifestyle related suggestions through email. But in a special condition, if you want online consultation, or you want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city, then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. You want to take care of your own and your family people's health. For that purpose only we have made an online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes, and that will make you sufficiently strong to take care of yourself and your family. If you want to register for that online course, you can email us. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the books in the description, so you can get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.